using the CRB for lint and hair removal, personally, what I like to do is I like to do it after I pre-spray, because what it does is that it causes all the lint and hair to stick to the underside of your CRB. So after you go through the carpeting, you can just flip the machine over, run your finger under there, pull all that hair off, spin the wheels, and then it gives you an idea as to how much more hair and lint could still be in the carpeting and whether or not you should go over it again. Now, I'm going over this like a fine-tooth comb back and forth, and you can tell by the lines and how close they are together. I'm probably doing like a 85 to 90% overlap on here, just to get it thoroughly as we possibly can with the brushes, just to pick up as much of that lint and nasty debris in the carpeting as possible. So having gone over our space very thoroughly for the second time, let's go ahead, we flip this guy over and we're just kind of get a feel for how much debris is still in there. What I do is I just run my fingers down here, run my fingers down here. Then you can see a lot of gunk collects on the back there. And that is a considerable amount of gunk just for this one little area here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over it one more time just to get as much of this out as possible. And then I did notice that there's one more spot of probably the slime that kids play with. So all I have to do is just put a little bit of solvent down there, let it chew it up, run the CRB over it. It'll be out of here, and then we'll steam it out.